Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we'll be serving this Macallister lawnmower. I hope you enjoy. Right, first of all, I'll get the mower out and give it a power wash because it came in quite dirty. It's just in for general service, and that side cover there is broken, so I've got a new one for that. And an oil change, spark plug change, and air filter change. Right, let's get cracking. It's all fully drained of fuel, so it's fine to dip it on its side to power wash it underneath. I've been cleaned up. Now I'll just lift the mower up onto my workbench. Just fold the handle down. First of all, start by removing the blade. Right, this blade sharpened. Now, pop back on. Right, now just lifting it up. Got it nice and tight because I don't want the blade coming off. Right, now for the air filter. Clean that up. That looks lovely. Let's see if we can. What is this? This one's quite broken. Here's the new one. And ta-da! Done. Alright, on to the oil change next. Right, so for the oil, I'll tip the mower up on its side. We just pop Open. And oil comes out. Alright, salt's coming out. Put the cap back on. Right, now for some fresh oil. Who doesn't love fresh oil? Look at that. There she goes. Not quite. Bit more. I'll set them down. You can find a bolt for that. Right, hot oil. It looks perfect. Last but not least, the spark plug. Use these wigglers. There we are. Perfect spark plug. That's what you're looking for. Here's our new fresh one. Brilliant. I think that's it. Ready for a quick test run. First we need to add some fuel. She's completely dry. Okay, that'll do it. Give her a few primes. See if it starts. Right, so that concludes this video. Got it running and cutting, gave it good service, and that sharpened blade cuts really nice. Catch you in the next one.